The SEL35F14GM is an E-mount lens from Sony's acclaimed G Master lens lineup. Not only do you get all of the amazing tech and picture quality you expect from a G Master lens from Sony, but also a 35mm with a maximum aperture of f1.4, which is absolutely incredible, giving you a lot of versatility for any type of photographer or even videographer that really allows you to really separate your subject with great detail from the background, which can give you a very artistic and stylized look. Not only is it really lightweight, nice and small, compact, this thing packs a punch. It is an incredible lens, so let's take a closer look. I'm Derek from Sony, let's check it out. This lens combines high contrast along with a very natural looking defocused background. And a lot of lenses are really sharp, and a lot of other lenses do a great job of having a very natural rendered look, but very few, if any, do both, and this lens does just that exceptionally well. And being only just a little over a pound and very compact, it makes it really easy for on-the-go photographers. So street photography, wedding photography, portrait photography, you could even do some landscape or commercial photography, vloggers as well. There's a lot of flexibility because it is so lightweight and it is so fast, but also having that flexibility of an f1.4 aperture can really make your shots or videos stand out because you can get a very unique look. So definitely does a little bit of everything from kind of starting out to the professional level. And because of its small form factor and lightweight, it works fantastic with gimbals or other grip accessories for those on the go. An f1.4 aperture is nearly as bright and as fast as it gets, and not only does that of course separate your subject from the background, giving you a nice defocused background, but also the foreground as well, which really separates your subject from whatever situation they happen to be in and whatever's in frame, which can really give you some very unique and artistic looks. And thanks to the 11 circular aperture blades, it does an incredible job of making that bokeh look really natural and realistic, and also very professional look as well. Now, I'm no professional when it comes to photography, but this can make some of my shots look like I'm better than I am, and a lot of cases you really want to stand out for the crowd, and this lens can do exactly that. Along with this more open aperture of f1.4, you get a couple other benefits as well. More open aperture means more light, which means you can do a better job of taking photos in lower lighting. So you can control your ISO a little bit better, so if you're doing night shots, but also astrophotography as well will look stunning on this lens. On top of that, opening up the aperture allows you to control your shutter speed a little bit more, which can help you get a faster shot and reduce some motion blur. Now we have to get techie here for a second and talk about the lens elements. Lens elements are the finely tuned and polished glass within the lenses that give you the detail you would expect, and what makes the G Master lenses so unique and special. Within the 35F14, you have two XA or extreme aspherical lens elements that do an incredible job of minimizing astigmatism, coma, and lens curvature. This is going to give you the high resolution and the high contrast that you would expect from edge of the frame to the other edge of the frame, making all of your pictures and videos look absolutely incredible. The two precise XA lens elements do an incredible job of giving you the detail and resolution that you would expect, as well as giving you that super smooth bokeh. Now I talked a lot about the picture quality as well as the incredible bokeh that you get out of this lens, but we have to talk about, of course, autofocus capability, and this lens does feature the XD linear motors, which allow for super smooth, super fast, and really quiet autofocus, which is fantastic for any type of photographer or videographer. So if you're looking to up your photography or even your videography game, the SEL35F14GM lens is a fantastic option because it's so versatile that it can work for any type of situation virtually. Incredibly fast with an f1.4 maximum aperture might change the way that you perceive some of your visions and are able to capture the image that you want exactly how you want to capture it. Nice small design, lightweight, and premium lens elements make sure that you get the quality that you would expect. Sharp detail from frame edge to frame edge, as well as incredibly smooth, natural looking bokeh you really might not find anywhere else. This lens is definitely one of a kind, so make sure you check it out. It'll probably become your favorite lens, if at the very least it probably will live in the kit that you carry with you everywhere that you go. But if you do have any other additional questions and want to talk to a Sony expert like myself, there's a link in the description below for the Sony 101 consultation program. And we also offer a video chat option to really make sure that we can easily share information to help find the best Sony solution for you and your needs. I've been Derek from Sony. Thanks for watching.